Yeah, that'll work.
Nice. Don't catch any AJs out here?
No, that's not a bottom, but
They're out of season too.
they're up at the market. When I first started commercial fishing, I made a real living out of catching amberjack.
I remember everyone saying that, you know, the only way you could eat them is smoking them. So anytime we always considered them trash fish.
And the ones out here, the reason why the price up is the ones in the Keys are very wormy. The ones out here are not as bad.
Tell you what though, I fried one up one time and there ain't a damn thing wrong with that fish.
Shit, no.
So the whole purpose was of the smoking thing was to, you know, eliminate any possible worms in it. Is that the deal?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. It's a big one.
You put a new leader on there, Kurt.
Oh, get him.
Come here.
Can.
Here, sit down.
No, I got him.
Sit down.
I got him.
Ah, you got him. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I see it. I see it.
Oh shit, we had it.
Hold on. There it is.
It's like pulling up a mule, ain't it?
Oh, yeah.
Boy, if we get this fish up, we're going to be lucky.
Oh, we'll get him up. I'll get him up.
Come on, you got him whipped now. You got the mono.
Red grouper.
Red group. All right, give me the pole. All right, I caught him.
That sucks.
Back once in a while.
Yeah.
Thank you for the hard work, son. He swallowed it too. Man, what a
Nice
fishing
fish.
trip. What a fishing trip. We got enough meat for the freezer. What'd you think of that one?
That was a nice fish. I don't think it's as big as mine.
You had to throw him back? Oh, God.
Yeah, we kept them small ones.
What do we have left?
Reds.
One red snapper.
I don't cherry pick. Guys, you went forward with 6 guys and they're lending everything. They catch another big one. Can't we just throw one of those back and like?
Well, you know, you always got that bait well option. You know, it's the smallest you can maybe throw in there. And
where are you gonna put that then? Something that big.
well, no, I'm talking about like they're keeping the smaller ones alive.
Yeah, but even still, if everybody just kept all big shit, there wouldn't be any big shit left.
True.
You know what? That's probably the biggest red grouper I've caught. Or you caught. Or I hooked.
Come on, Rylan.
one.
Good one.
Oh,
Big one's down there, man. You just gotta weed out small stuff.
kingfish?
Look like it. Anita?
A trophy fish?
Get the glass.
In the Gulf.
Oh, look at this. Oh, Cap's got the knee technique down. Yeah. Don't come back, you hear? Come on, Ryan, we need another big red, man. You already got you, mate?